Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Clara stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and the front post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You'll then make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. For row 2, we're simply going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch across. So that's 2 chains and then 1 double crochet into each stitch across for row 2. To start row 3, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. To begin, we're going to skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, you're going to make a front post double crochet. Then into the stitch that we had skipped to the right of the one that we had just worked into, so it's going to be this one right here, you're going to make a double crochet over this front post one into that stitch. So it's going to look like this. Now getting into our sequence, you're going to skip 1 stitch, then you're going to start repeating from this front post double crochet. Skip this 1 stitch into this next one, make that front post double crochet. And then over the front post we had just made into this stitch that we had skipped, you're going to make a double crochet. Now you're going to start repeating from here. Skip 1 stitch over this next one, make that front post double crochet. Then into that stitch that you skipped over this front post, make a double crochet into that stitch. So now you can see how this sequence is going to go. You're going to skip 1 stitch into the next one. You're going to make that front post double crochet. Then into that stitch that you skipped, you're going to make a double crochet over that front post into that skipped stitch. You're going to start repeating this until you reach the end of this row. So at the end of this row, you're going to have some chains left over here. Into the top of those chains at the end of this row, make 1 double crochet to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Clara stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.